Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the metronome function on the BandLab application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should click on this plus icon down below indicated by the red button. You should scroll down to the tools section and tap on the first option, metronome. First you need to select the time signature. The first option is the beats per bar and the note value. If you are done with selecting these features, tap on the subdivisions option. Next to it, here you can select from 4 options, so tap on the one that suits your preferences, and here you should tap on this icon in the middle of the screen. If you are done with it, you can press the button start in order to start playing it. You can also change the sound of the beat by tapping on this icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So as you can see, you can select from the clave, side stick, hi-hat, blip, and also the silence options. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.